Yes, yes, indeed. Once again, it's your boy, Papa Gato Got Kicks, here with another unboxing and review. So I broke a rule. This is gonna be my confession. I broke a rule. My rule is, if you don't get it for retail, you don't get it. You get something that you didn't want, you trade it. You know the story. I paid above retail. I had to have these. Now, I didn't go crazy above retail. I threw a bid on StockX thinking nobody's gonna bite. Somebody did. I didn't pay too much above retail, just a little bit. But I had to have them. They came in. These actually dropped tomorrow. So let's see what we got here. Shout out to StockX. Always got the good packaging. Garbage. Ooh, baby. So yeah, we're gonna talk about this is the total package. First of all, the box. As you can see right there, the boy size 10. You can feel it's got texture to it. So you can see it in the light, matter of fact. Beautiful job. It's kind of got a little bit of like a wear down on it. I'm excited. All right, so there we go. No hiding it now. Stranger Things. Which Stranger Things? They actually had a little collab with Nike. My God, look at this. Nike Foamposite 1, Stranger Things Vecna. Now, if you're a fan of Stranger Things, I'm not a huge fan. I watched probably about 2 seasons of it, and then I just couldn't get into it anymore. Who cares? Vecna's supposed to be the bad guy or whatever. I don't care about that either. I care about this right here. Fire and brimstone. You got the red soul. You got the jeweled, the 1 cent logo upside down, representing, guess what? The upside down, if you know. You got these weathered laces. You got this kind of worn down leather. You got the lightning. You can see in there. It says found you. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Well worth me paying a couple of dollars over retail. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. I got the upside down penny logo here too. Damn. Unbelievable. And what I understand, they glow in the dark. So we got to check that out. So yeah, the glow in the dark stuff, just the added touch to this already gorgeous shoe. I'm not crazy about print foams. I have 1 or 2. I have the camos, excuse me. I have the cat eyes, a couple of others, shattered backboards. Maybe I do have more than a couple. Anyway, these are a keeper. Unbelievably beautiful. Anyway, it's your boy Papa Gato Got Kicks. These actually drop tomorrow, February 21st. Good luck. I'm going to try to double up. You never know. But anyway, good luck to all. The Stranger Things kind of flavor. Oh yeah, like, follow, subscribe, tell a friend.